So if you really do just have a loose belt like I do, what you can do is take a number 3 Allen. There's 2 set screws in this pulley right here on top. Okay. Sometimes use a little WD-40 or PB Blaster because they might be a little rusted in, so you make sure you don't strip them because you really don't want to strip those. Alright, and then I like to just turn it where I can get to it easiest. And then just start taking the set screws, the Allen bolts out a little bit. You don't need to take them all the way out. You just need to loosen them so that they're not putting pressure against this. See how it's putting pressure against the key right there on that pulley with this set screw. And then there's a second one right here that I just loosened. You heard that, break loose. And you just need to loosen them. You don't need to take them all the way out because then you'll lose them. Don't lose the key either. You're going to need it to put the pulley back on. So I just put this in a good spot. Now you get your belt off. I'll just check out your bearings while you're already here. If there's a bunch of grease spewing out of here, that's not good. It's a sealed bearing. It's not supposed to be like that. Alright, so then you just take one of these links out to shorten it up if you need to, or to make it longer, you just add a link if you need to. You can order links on our website, or you can order the whole belt. If the whole belt burned up, you are able to you just have to order a new link from our website and put one on there just to replace it, or two, you know, if you burned one up. Also, or order a new belt if you want. So on this part, I just turned it inside out like that to take a link off or put one on. And then I grabbed one of the little links, just grab it up here by the top, and then just push it through. And then you're able to get the other side out like that. See? Okay, so once I take one of these links out, this one above it, it's going to go through this one. Alright, so now just get your link taken out. We can put this back on. So what I do, make sure your pulleys face the right way. Should be with that hub side up. Okay, and this hub's down. You notice that? Put your pulley on first, and then what you want to do is just, once you got it where you want it to be, like putting a chain on back on a bike. Okay, so you get it locked in there and then turn it like that, and that way make sure it's tight. Then you just have to square back up where that Allen key goes. You should put some Loctite back in these. still do that without pulling them out, so you just pull it out to where you can see the threads. You put it Loctite on it and then put it back in, because there's a lot of vibration and pulling going on there on the belt.